Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Dr. Nik Narima from the Department of Graphic Design and Digital Media, College of Creative Art UiTM Melaka. You may call me Dr. Nik. Today, I'd like to share an intriguing subject related to GDT 218 Communication Design. As you can see from this slide, I would like to share course learning outcome of this subject. At the end of the course, students should be able to demonstrate the sensitivity of graphic design development and recall the process and procedure of design and basic design management. Second, to translate the potentials of developing skills and creativity in graphic discipline and able to execute the work systematically. And lastly, to express and explore the knowledge of developing good design and expose themselves to the real world of life offers in graphic design. The main topic that I would like to share today is about graphic design process. Basically, there are three subtopics under graphic design process, as you can see from the slide. The first subtopic is what is creative design process. Second subtopic is the step of creative design process. And third subtopic is the importance of creative design process in the context of design education. Let's start with the first subtopic. What is creative design process? Later on, we will go through on definitions of creative, definitions of design, definitions of process, definitions of creative design process, and lastly, key elements in creative design process. Do you know what is the meaning of creative? Creative is the ability to come up with original, inventive, and imaginative ideas or solutions is what is meant when someone is referred to as a creative in the context of design and artistic endeavors. To create unique and visually stunning art, one must think outside the box, break traditional patterns, and push boundaries. Idea generations, problem solving, and the ability to harmoniously and aesthetically combine multiple parts all falls under umbrella of creativity. It's about using your creativity, intuitions, and artistic talent to create something that grabs attentions, convey a message, and evoke emotions. Creativity in graphic design involves the ability to think innovatively and create visually appealing and effective design that effectively convey a message or solve a problem. According to Truman 2011, the ability to engage with others and environment is essential to both learning and creativity. Next, I would like to share with you the definitions of design. Design is deliberate and intentional process of developing aesthetically pleasing and practical solutions to specific problems, taking into account the requirements of the target audience. It encompasses various academic fields and requires the use of creativity, analytical thinking, and good communication. Design aims to provide solutions that are aesthetically pleasing, accessible, and successful in conveying a message or achieving a specific goal. This involves knowing the context of the project, the target market, and the goal. Designers use their technical and creative skills to create concepts, select appropriate components such as colors, typography, artwork, and layout, and bring them all together in a unified and harmonious way. Wang and Siu 2012 study indicated that design and creativity are closely linked due to their need to develop and implement innovative ideas and solve problems. Now let us know about the definitions of process. The term process in the context of creating visual work refers to the sequence of processes or phases that designers use to develop and complete a design brief. It encompasses all the actions, procedures, and strategy used from the conceptions of graphic work to its implementations. Let's move to what is creative design process. Creative design process is the methodical process designers use to develop visual communication solutions for a range of media is called the graphic design process. It involves a series of steps and tasks that enable designers to create design that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Graphic designers are encouraged to think critically, embrace innovations, and challenge social norms through the creative design process. Emphasis is placed on developing original, creative solutions that successfully communicate a message and attract attentions. Graphic designers can push the limits of their creativity and create visually appealing and original design by taking a creative design approach. Daly et al. 2016. Previous study discovered when engaged in creative activities in one subject, student benefits from understanding the creative process. Study by Jacob 2017 mentions by utilizing the creative design process, design educators can better prepare their students for the reality of working in professional design environments on a daily basis. What are the key elements in creative design process? There are 6 key elements in creative design process. First, explorations and inspirations. This stage encourages experimentations and increases the range of possible design. Second, ideations and concept development. This phase encourages independent thinking, concept discovery, and pushing the boundaries of traditional design. Third, visualizations and testing. This phase encourages creativity and identifications of original design ideas by allowing explorations of different combinations and variations. Fourth, collaborations and feedback. Collaborations improve ideas, reveal shortcomings, and create new opportunities. Fifth, iterations and refinement. This iterations method ensures that the design is consistent with stated goals and allows for continuous developments. And lastly, finalizations and executions. To maintain the creative visions while meeting technical requirements, precision and attention to details are critical at this stage. Until here only. If there are any questions, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.